252 million years ago, in what is now Siberia, a series of volcanic eruptions broke through the Earth's crust, sending pillars of magma upward. Greenhouse gases spewed into the atmosphere, pushing life to the edge and almost causing the collapse of Earth's ecosystem. Over millions of years, the Permian extinction wiped out nearly every species on Earth. But an even bigger disaster might be looming. Is another extinction event set to wipe out life on Earth? Why do scientists believe that life on Earth is on the edge of mass extinction? And most importantly, how can we prevent this from happening? Let's find out. The Earth formed around 4.5 billion years ago. Between 500 million to 1 billion years later, life emerged in the depths of the ocean, where single-celled organisms thrived near hydrothermal vents. Since life began, approximately 5 billion species have evolved on our planet, but 99% of them are now extinct. To survive the planet's changing conditions, species adapt to unexpected environmental shifts, leading to competition for food, water, and territory. According to Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection, species that are the fittest dominate the changing world, while those struggling tend to fade away. Natural selection balances animal and plant populations, causing fluctuations over geological time. From the towering 90-foot Apatosaurus to the enormous ground sloth, a variety of creatures have thrived and disappeared on our planet. Gradual extinction is a natural part of life's evolution. However, no level of genetic adaptation could prepare organisms for the catastrophic events ahead. Over the past 500 million years, 5 major extinctions, known as the Big Five, have nearly wiped out life on Earth. For an event to be considered a mass extinction, it must eliminate at least half of the species on the planet, leading to a significant increase in the extinction rate. When the environment changes naturally, sometimes drastically, extinction, adaptation, and speciation occur. Despite enduring natural disasters, life on Earth has persisted, evolved, and thrived for billions of years. In the past 2 centuries, the dynamics of the natural world have shifted. Now, the environment isn't solely governed by natural laws. Humans, the most dominant species on Earth, have altered environments worldwide, disrupting billions of years of evolution. Could humans trigger a 6th mass extinction, the first since the beginning of human history? The Natural Academy of Sciences suggests it's already underway, starting in the mid-20th century during a period known as the Great Acceleration. During this period of rapid growth, known as the Great Acceleration, human civilization saw significant expansion, leading to a sharp rise in human-caused harm to Earth. Swift advancements in technology, increasing demands for natural resources, and higher production of pollutants have greatly expanded our impact on the environment. Few factors have had more significant effect than the release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Since the start of the Industrial Revolution, humans have been producing and emitting CO2 at a rate 100 times faster than any period in the past 420,000 years. This massive increase in CO2 production has disrupted the delicate balance of our global ecosystem. So far, greenhouse gases have raised the planet's temperature by nearly 1 degree Celsius. Even a 1 degree change in global temperature has widespread effects on the natural world. For instance, oceans have absorbed around 90% of the extra heat caused by human-generated CO2. The increase in ocean temperatures has harmed and destroyed diverse aquatic environments, such as coral reefs, which may vanish by 2050. Despite the Great Acceleration, humans have made little attempt to reduce our excessive emission of greenhouse gases. In 2018, humans emitted an estimated 40 billion tons of CO2 into the air. This byproduct of human activity has adversely affected the Earth's climate, pushing crucial ecosystems to their tipping points and beyond. Now, natural marvels like the Amazon rainforest, one of the most varied ecosystems globally, are moving closer to being endangered and collapsing. The impacts of human activities extend well beyond the Earth's climate and atmosphere. Decades of pollution, deforestation, and consumption have triggered a destructive chain of events comparable to some of history's most devastating disasters. The 6th mass extinction event has already impacted 75% of land habitats and 66% of marine habitats. We've disrupted food chains, altered weather patterns, and disturbed ocean currents. Now, species are disappearing rapidly. Around 200 vertebrate species have become extinct in the past century, averaging about 2 species per year. Compared to the natural extinction rate, which would take around 10,000 years for the same number of species to disappear, human activity has accelerated extinction by over 100 times, a rate similar to the Big Five mass extinctions. Even species considered low risk are facing challenges, as shown in a 2017 study of 27,600 vertebrate species. They found that 40% of those populations ranging from low risk to endangered species are declining rapidly, with many populations dying off and decreasing. Our planet is facing a significant loss of global biodiversity. The upcoming chain reaction will further harm and devastate ecosystems worldwide. Can we protect the Earth from ourselves? How much time do we have to conserve our planet? The 6th mass extinction event is already underway. Glaciers around the world are melting. Ecosystems are collapsing. Access to fresh water is decreasing rapidly. And humans are producing more toxic waste than ever before. Human activity has severely disturbed the natural world, and the current situation suggests a looming extinction event. While humans have caused damage to the planet, we still have the opportunity to restore the natural world to its former state. We can slow down species loss, reduce environmental destruction and pollution, and rejuvenate a planet that once boasted the greatest biodiversity in history. However, if the future resembles the present, humans may irreversibly harm the environment. The fate of the planet rests in our hands. If we can't save the Earth, no one else will. We must act now to mitigate the damage and reverse the course we're on. Conservation efforts, sustainable practices, and global cooperation are crucial in safeguarding the future of our planet. Protecting natural habitats, implementing renewable energy sources, and reducing carbon emissions are essential steps in combating climate change and preserving biodiversity. Education and awareness are key to inspiring individuals and communities to take action in their daily lives. Furthermore, we need international agreements and policies that prioritize environmental protection over short-term economic gains. Investing in green technologies and supporting eco-friendly initiatives can lead us toward a more sustainable future. Every individual action counts, whether it's reducing plastic usage, supporting conservation organizations, or advocating for environmental policies. Together, we can make a difference. However, time is of the essence. The longer we delay meaningful action, the harder it will be to reverse the damage done to our planet. We're at a critical juncture where our choices will determine the fate of countless species, including our own. The 6th mass extinction may well be underway, but it's not too late to change course. By working together and prioritizing the health of our planet, we can ensure a brighter future for generations to come. The challenges ahead are daunting, but history has shown that humanity is capable of incredible resilience and innovation. Let's harness that spirit to protect and preserve the only home we have, Earth. The time to act is now. Let's save the Earth for ourselves and for all living beings that call it home. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to subscribe for more content.